Solitaire cash payouts usually fail because withdrawals are still processing, identity verification is incomplete, or the payment method doesn't match the account details exactly. By the end of this, you'll know why your payout is stuck, how to check if it's actually processing, and the exact fixes that usually get Solitaire cash to release the money. First thing to check is the withdrawal status inside the app. Go to your cash out or wallet section and look at the transaction history. If it says pending or processing, the money hasn't been released yet. That means there's nothing broken. It's still moving through their payout system. Next step is account verification. Most payout delays happen when identity checks are not fully completed. If your account has any pending verification prompts, the system can automatically hold withdrawals until they are done. Complete any ID, email, or payment confirmations before trying again. Now check your payment method details. If your PayPal or bank account name doesn't match your Solitaire cash account name exactly, the withdrawal can get blocked or delayed. Even small differences like abbreviations or spelling changes can stop the payout from going through. Fixing this usually means updating your payout method and resubmitting the withdrawal request. Another issue is app sync problems. If the app didn't fully refresh during your cash out request, the transaction can get stuck in a processing loop. Close the app completely, reopen it, and go back to the wallet screen to force a refresh of your balance and transaction status. Also check your internet connection at the time you requested the payout. If the connection dropped or switched during the withdrawal, the request may not have fully completed on the server. Wait a few minutes, reconnect to stable Wi-Fi, and refresh the app before assuming it failed. If everything looks correct and it still hasn't paid out, the next step is support. Go into the Help or Support section inside Solitaire Cash and submit a request with your username, withdrawal amount, and the exact time you cashed out. That information lets them trace the transaction and manually release it if it's stuck. Quick summary: most payout issues come from pending processing, missing verification, or mismatched payment details. Checking status tells you if it's still processing. Fixing account info clears most blocks. And support is the final step when everything else is correct. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple fixes for cash apps and reward games that actually pay out.